Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy veg biryani. First, let's prepare the rice. Wash 2 cups of basmati rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Soaking the rice for 30 minutes helps it cook evenly and become fluffy. After soaking, drain the rice completely and set it aside. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect biryani texture. Next, we'll start building the flavorful gravy base. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger-garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, stir in your favorite mixed vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and green beans. Now, let's infuse our gravy with aromatic spices. Add 1 teaspoon of biryani masala and 0.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the vegetables. Pour in 1 cup of rich tomato puree and cook until the mixture thickens. Once the gravy is ready, gently layer the partially cooked rice over it. Finish by garnishing generously with fresh mint and cilantro leaves. Finally, it's time for the dum cooking process, which locks in all the flavors. Seal the pot tightly with a lid, perhaps using dough to create an airtight seal, and cook on very low heat for 15 minutes. After cooking, let the biryani rest for 10 minutes without opening the lid. Gently fluff it with a fork before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade gravy veg biryani.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.